I'm Emma Ellice-Flint, a nutritionist and chef, and today I want to show you an easy recipe to make some really great savoury snacks, some what I call tahini and lentil balls, but they can also be kind of a little bit like falafels, or they can be as snacks, or you can have them with a salad. Anyway, I think they're absolutely delicious. And what's more, the reason why I'm making them today is that they are absolutely jam-packed full of kind of the gut healthy, boosting nutrients, the soluble and insoluble fibre that you want to try and get into your diet. Plus, these balls are quite high in calcium, non-dairy calcium. So have a watch and see what you think. Here we go. I'm going to start with adding in some oats. It's about 3/4 cup of oats. And I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I'm going to add in about a heaped tablespoon of fresh parsley. If you don't have any fresh herbs around, then just use some dried herbs. Herbs are just fantastic for your health, so just try and nudge them in wherever you can. Then we're going to have about 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. We're going to have the same, about 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. There we go. And again, we're going to have about 1/4 cup, of sesame seeds. I think I'll add some black sesame seeds in as well. Here we go, to make up that 1/4 cup. And then we've got some cooked red lentils or orange lentils. I cook these up. These cook up so fast. They don't have to be soaked overnight. They cook up just literally, you almost bring them to the boil and they're basically cooked. Anyway, that's a cup's worth of these orange lentils. That's going in. Can you see how easy this is? And then we want to get in some flavors that will make these taste amazing. So I've got some smoky paprika here, and I've mixed it, actually pre-mixed it already with a bit of cayenne pepper. Not half and half, of course, but I like the smoky flavor, but I also want the punch of the cayenne pepper. And look at the color and that vibrancy. It's fantastic. And then I'm also going to add a umami flavor in the fermented miso paste here. And I'm going to pop that in about a heaped teaspoon. Okay, so that is pretty good. And they're going to end with some tahini paste. Tahini paste is where sesame seeds, whole sesame seeds in this case, have been mixed up in a blender, in a high-speed blender, to form a paste, a bit like a butter. And I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of that. I'll just finish that off. Fantastic. All right, so let's see if we can mix those up and make up the mixture. And you could form these into really small little balls or patties, or you could actually form these into quite large ones, and you can almost make a small burger with it. It's just amazing. Add a few more extra lentils or other cooked beans. All right, here we go. Okay. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not a smooth paste you're looking for. It's quite chunky. And what we're going to do is we're going to then roll these actually today into ball shapes, but as I said, you can make small or big in any shape you like. Now I like to roll them in extra sesame seeds, and today I'm going to use black sesame seeds to roll them in. So I'm just going to roll out this mixture. I'm today going to roll them out into balls, little balls to use as snacks, but you could just roll them out into little like falafel balls and then second bake them in the oven and make them go crispy. Or you could even make it like a vegan like burger with them, whatever you like. Anyway, I'm going to roll them out into balls, and these are black sesame seeds I'm rolling them in, and they just make a fabulous snack. Store them in the fridge or the freezer and you're away. So these are tahini and lentil balls.